What's up guys, welcome back to another episode. So I just got back from JDM Addiction and I have some super exciting news. We finally checked off the biggest item on the checklist for the 8th gen. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, obviously we finally picked up the PPG Gear Set and the SYNCHROTECH Rebuild Kit for the transmission. I am super happy that we finally got it in. It has been very stressful because this was a very expensive part that I needed to get for the 8th gen, the most expensive part on my list. So I'm super happy that I finally got it in, and it is again one step forward. This is a big step forward. This thing has been stressing me out since forever. So finally we got it in, and the reason that I did go with PPG and decided to fully build the transmission is because we already went through 2 transmissions in about 2 years. And I'm sick and tired of going through transmissions, and with the power that we're going with the 8th gen, it's not gonna cut it. A stock transmission is out of the picture and out of the conversation. We cannot run a stock transmission in the 8th gen anymore because of the power we're going to be running. So I'm super excited, and this process has been very stressful for the past 2 months. I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately. It's because, guys, I've been working really hard behind the scenes at my job, trying to get all the funds in and get all these parts in so we can finally get this thing back up and running. And today it was a huge step forward. It was very painful to let go of all those funds, but you know what, it is necessary because, like I said again, with all that power that we're going to be running, just a stock transmission wouldn't even cut it. Alright, so here's everything that I picked up today at JDM Addiction. So first of all, I did pick up some new shifter cables because the ones that are sitting in the 8th gen right now are pretty much from factory, and they're 110% stretched. So I just want to make sure we're doing the transmission, so I just want to make sure that we have some good shifter cables. And the ones that I decided to go with are the hybrid racing. So I did want to go with K-Tune, but K-Tune, they only offer the street version. They don't even have a race version, and the hybrid racing do. So this is their performance shifter cable. So really nice stuff. So we got some new shifter cables. And here is the Master Rebuild Kit from SYNCHROTECH. So, first of all, here we have our... One second. So these are the carbon synchros. Very popular, very strong. So I did decide to go with the carbon synchros. And then everything else in here pretty much is bearings. So here we have 1 bearing, 2, 3, 4 bearings, and these are all OEM spec. So this one is the Koyo, which is made in Japan, so it is still a OEM spec. Where did I see that? Made in Japan, right there. Let it focus, come on. Made in Japan. So, and then the rest is also made in Japan from Honda. So these are all OEM spec parts. We got some seals, we got some springs, and then we also have the sleeves. So here are the sleeves. There's about 3 of them. Sleeves, sliders, whatever you want to call them. So we have those. I think we still need about 1 or 2 sliders. I'm not sure. Maybe we might be able to reuse the sliders in the stock one. If not, then I'm just gonna have to go and purchase maybe 1 or 2 more sliders. But this is the Master Rebuild Kit for K-Series transmission. So we got that. Might as well do it once we're in there. We can get that all done up one time, and then we should be good. But this, guys, this is what it is right now. The most expensive part on the list for the Turbo 8th gen. I hate it when they put these things here. It's a big mess with this crap, but let me get all this stuff out and then we can continue.
1 hour later.
Alright, so here it is. Everything is all laid out, and according to the assembly parts list, so here we have first gear output, then we have second gear output, third gear output, here we have third gear input, fourth gear output, and then fourth gear input, and then obviously the input shaft right there. So I don't really want to go and take it out of its plastic until we actually go and assemble everything, so I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And then in here is basically the same thing, just except it's in nice packaging. I don't know why the rest wasn't. I guess it didn't fit in the box, but there was enough space for it to fit. But whatever, it is what it is. We got all the parts necessary to rebuild the transmission. So the only thing that I'm missing is the final drive. So I'm not exactly sure which final drive I'm gonna go with. Either anywhere between a 4.3 to a 4.7. So I'm still not exactly sure. I gotta find out which final drive I'm gonna go with. So still got a little bit of time until we figure that out. And then I think I might be using the stock 8th gen LSD. I'm not sure if it comes to it, then I probably will go and upgrade it to like a Quaif or something like that, just a more beefier LSD. These 8th gen stock LSDs are pretty much rated for like anything 800 and lower, nothing over 800. So, you know, if we do go 820 to 850, we might be pushing it. And then if something does happen to the stock LSD, then we're gonna run into issues with these. If it breaks, then we're gonna probably end up breaking something over here. So I don't think that's a really good idea. So either if we do keep the stock LSD, then we're not gonna be pushing over 800. But if we are gonna be pushing over 800, then I'm gonna have to upgrade the LSD as well. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we have in store for the transmission. Everything PPG, guys. We are not playing any games this year. We're going all out. So this year I think we're going to be doing a lot of competing as well, because these parts ain't cheap. So we're going to have to kind of see if we can get our money back and win some races and enter some events and see what we can do with this thing. But yeah, guys, so pretty much we almost have everything needed for the fully built transmission. We have the master rebuild kit right here. We have 1 to 4 PPG gear set. We just need a final drive, and then we might do a different LSD, an upgraded LSD. We have our shifter cables as well. So we are getting there. The transmission is getting all the love, guys. You know, it's I think it's necessary because I'm really sick of going through all these transmissions. It's been pretty much 2 in 2 years, and this is pretty much the 3rd time we're doing anything with the transmission. So I think 3rd time's a charm, and we gotta just show the transmission some love and make sure we can actually put all the power down. With all the power that the motor's gonna be making, we need to put it down, guys. We, you know, a lot of people just do the motor and all that stuff, but they don't really think about the transmission. But guys, the transmission is very important. I had to learn the hard way. But yeah, so fully built transmission on the way, boys, on the way. It is coming. We're almost there. Almost there, guys, almost there. This build is turning out to be really serious. I'm super excited, and a huge weight has been lifted off of my shoulders with this all these transmission parts. I was stressing over this like crazy, and finally we got it in, and now I can actually sleep a little bit, not too much. I can actually sleep a little bit now, and there isn't too much left. I'm gonna contact one of the subscribers that hit me up on Instagram about the harness, so I'm just gonna talk to him. He's gonna send over that harness, and then we're ready to go. We're gonna call up Rui, see what the hell he's doing, when he's gonna have some time, and then whoo, off the 8th gen goes to the K-Tune headquarters once again. Mateus Racing, one of the best, and he's gonna be putting everything together, and we're gonna get this thing back, guys. I can't wait. And also, I did want to mention, if you guys stuck around till the end of this video, You're a friggin' trooper. I salute you. Thank you so much. What I did want to mention is I'm gonna have some shirts made up for the 8th gen when it does come out. I'm gonna have some shirts, and I am planning to probably start up a website with some merch. I know it's still a little bit too early. I was planning to get a website going pretty much once I got monetized, once I hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, which we're not that far from. Just a couple hundred subscribers more, and then we should be there. But I think by the time that the 8th gen is gonna start to breathe again, we're gonna be really close to the 1,000 subscriber mark, and I think it's about time to get a website going, and maybe you guys are interested in some merch. So the first kind of merch that I will be selling will be some shirts on the 8th gen. I'm gonna get some nice artwork going, and we're gonna get some 8th gen merch, and also just the regular Redline Racing Garage hoodies that I have and shirts. That's also gonna be on the website, so look out for that. It's probably gonna be coming in the next month or so. We're gonna have a website up, and you guys can purchase and finally start supporting the channel, because as you guys can see, because I'm a very small channel, I'm doing this all alone, all by myself, which is fine, don't get me wrong. I'm trying to create content for you guys, and I really want my channel to build, so I'm still in the process of building it. But as you guys can see, these parts and everything that I'm doing, it's not cheap, and it takes a lot of work and a lot of motivation and dedication to keep this going. It's not easy, it really isn't, but I'm still here. I'm still pushing it as far as it can go, and I know you guys are out there supporting. I really appreciate you guys for watching every single video, tuning in to see what I'm up to and to see how the cars are doing. It's coming, guys. Spring is around the corner, racing season is also around the corner, so stay tuned. We have big things coming, especially with the 8th gen. Like, this has been my main focus. This was my New Year's resolution, to get this thing back up and running as quick as possible. And I've been working my butt off behind the scenes, guys. You guys don't even understand. You guys come here, watch the video, and you see all these parts and all this money being spent, but you guys don't see what I'm actually doing behind the scenes. Maybe I should make a episode on what I actually do. Make a little episode on my vlog, like pretty much my whole day, lay out my whole day, and you guys can actually see what I do and how busy I am and how dedicated and motivated and passionate, especially passionate, how passionate I am about these things and about these cars and building them and pushing the channel and everything. But that'll pretty much do it. Just rambling on too much. Website will be up soon. It's in the works. We're gonna get a website up and start selling some merch, so I can get some support from you guys, and all that. Pretty much all the profits are going to be going back into the channel, into the builds and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys are on board to start supporting me. I know you guys already been supporting me a lot. We just need that little bit extra so I can get some breathing room and just get some help. And hopefully you guys want to see me and want to see this channel be pushed and finally be monetized and get me out there. So that's pretty much what I'm trying to do, trying to push everything and make some great videos for you guys. But that's enough of me rambling on. That'll pretty much do it for today's video. We are very close, guys, so close. I can feel it. We're so close. Let me just contact this guy about the harness. Let me get this harness in and let's start to do some work on this thing. All right, guys, that'll pretty much do it. Please be sure, like, comment, subscribe if you already haven't. Consider subscribing. We have a lot of cool stuff coming. Peace out, guys.